So we've had an exhausting day so far.
And it's only 2:11.
Rosie finally got her bag from the airport.
It was such a hassle. I was literally in the airport shouting, "Hablo inglés! Hablo inglés!" at anyone who would talk to me, because they were all being so difficult and not helping me at all. And then eventually I was like, go to the office and check if my bag is there, because it will be there. And they did, and it was. And I was like, So I got my bag, and it is in what is called a pack safe. So it goes all the way around the bag, and it's got this long thing that I can attach it to Rory's bag, or I can attach it to other places as well. So we know for definite that these big bags are not going to be stolen on this bus that we're about to get on. Drove away from San Jose, we were hopefully leaving all of our troubles behind us, ready to go to Monteverde, the cloud forest.
So we were just in the butterfly farm, and I was holding a beetle called the best beetle, and it was moving slowly around on my hand and stuff, and it was very calm, but then it got its leg stuck in my watch.
For a really long time.
And it started panicking, and it was
squeaking, it was going...
It was like nipping my watch, and then like the sort of staff member was getting a bit worried as well, and
she was like, "Can you take your watch off, please?"
Yeah.
And we were like, "Oh, I'm trying to fiddle with this watch," and it was going.
It was like panicking.
It was horrible.
But
he's a leg chopper.
Yeah. Then she freed it, and she said it was okay, but
I don't think it was.
So Rosie's feeling a little bit humble because she ordered rock limon, which she thought was a Smirnoff type thing.
In every single supermarket we've been to, it's just been like Smirnoff ices, and then this stuff, like mojitos, margarita cans, and this stuff, all in the same section. So I was like, oh, it's on the menu, let me give that one a try. Bloody beer, isn't it? So we are here at the
Colombo.
Not Colombo.
Calambu.
Water park. and it was meant to be $32 entrance fee, but we saw online it was down as $26, so we screenshotted a photo of that, and then we came in, we showed it to the woman on the desk when she was like $32. We were like, oh no, it says online $26, and then she let us in for what is essentially $7, so...
No, the locals price.
The locals price.
17, I think.
$17. Oh yeah, so it's so much cheaper. So
yeah.
If you are planning on coming here, go on the website. There's 2 different prices, so you just need to take a photo and then you can show the right thing.
Make a fuss. So we've just been to the coffee plantation for a tour, which was really, really good. The woman was incredibly knowledgeable.
Carol.
And
Good old
passionate.
Carol.
And we got more than we bargained for as well, because
So much more.
they showed us how to make chocolate, and we made our own chocolate.
We had shots.
Yep.
We had lots of shots. Yeah, like it was really good. Like we didn't really do much filming because it was just us on the tour. We thought, oh, we'll get there really early, and we did, and it was just us. And we looked at all the coffee plantation, looked at how they pick the beans, how they know like the cherries and everything.
Yep.
Then we did some chocolate, we did some chocolate making, we did some chocolate grinding, we drank some sugarcane juice, and then we had some moonshine that she said was illegal, but we had it anyway. It was 60%. Then we had Baileys, and lots of different coffee types. It was so good.
Yeah.
So if anyone is coming to Costa Rica and they're in the La Fortuna area, go to North Main's Coffee. It's one of like the best rated on TripAdvisor, and it's totally worth it. It was really, really good.
I think it was actually North Fields
North
coffee.
Fields. What was I saying? North Face.
North Main's.
North Main's.
That's where my mum and dad live.
I was going to say. Well, don't tell them that. People on the internet are going to know where your mum lives. Anyway, if you're in La Fortuna, go to North Fields Coffee. It was really good. It is absolutely cutting it down.
It's a fucking force of nature. This waterfall behind us just went from being sort of low to medium to really, really heavy.
There's a flash flood going on, so we were told we had to get out of the swimming bit. So we've just come to stand over by this, and it's honestly, I've never seen rain like this. It's unbelievable.
lover's got the money, he's got his strong beliefs. My lover's got no power, he's got his strong beliefs. My lover's got no fame, he's got his strong beliefs. My lover's got no money, he's got his strong beliefs. One more and more.